Hi there. Are you feeling a little confused using the word get in English? Well, I'm not surprised. It's one of our most flexible words. And in this video, we are going to have a look at get with adjectives. Thanks for joining me, Stephen Gowlett, in another video to help unlock your English. But as I said, this video we're going to look at the use of get with adjectives. I get angry when I see stupid things. Okay, I get angry. I get angry. I get sad when I hear bad news. People get drunk if they drink too much alcohol. If you eat all the cake, you may get sick. I got ill last winter. She's getting fed up with her next door neighbor's parties. And people go to the gym to get fit. Okay, so notice some of the examples. I use get in the present. I use a continuous form, getting, and you can also use the past, got, and all before adjectives. Now, you can't do this with every single adjective in English, okay, but you can with quite a few. So the ones I've mentioned, and here are a few more. So we can add to the list tired, get tired, excited, get excited, dressed, get dressed, upset, get upset, bored, get bored, frustrated, get frustrated. There are more, but I think I've covered some of the more typical adjectives that you can use with get. So if you have any more examples that you'd like to drop in the comments below to share with others, please go ahead and do so. Or if you have any comments for other videos, again, I'd love to hear them. Let me know. Okay, so we've seen today some adjectives that we can use with get. You use it in the present, in the past, the continuous form. You could also use it in the future. I will get. Okay. And just on a side note, although we've used get with adjectives in these examples, there are also some examples where you can use make with the adjective. For example, to make someone happy. This situation makes me sad. So I get sad when I hear bad news, but I could also say the bad news makes me feel sad. Okay, another example, I said before, if you eat all of the cake, you may get ill. Well, if you eat all of the cake, it may make you ill. Okay, so in some cases you can use get, in other cases you could also use make. Okay, but not in all cases. Okay, for example, get dressed, you can't say make dressed, that doesn't work. Okay, so get dressed is possible, but not make. So be careful, it's a little tricky, but in this video, really I was just focusing on using get with an adjective. Maybe another time we'll do some more examples with make. But for the moment, that's it for this short video, and I look forward to seeing you again soon, and have a good day. Take care. Cheers.